Hello everyone, it's Teacher She. Today, we are going to discuss about converting decimals to fractions. So remember, to convert a decimal to a fraction, rewrite the decimal as a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10, then reduce to lowest term. So I have here a place value chart. The decimal point will be here. The left side of the decimal is the whole numbers. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. And on the right side of the decimal is a fraction parts. So the tenths, hundreds, thousands, and so on. So now, let us convert 0.7 to fraction. Using the value chart, line up the decimal point and put one digit per column. Then, there is one digit after the decimal point, and it is found in the tenths place, or tenths column. So, 0.7 is the same as 7 over tenths, because the digit after the decimal point will be your numerator. And to get the denominator, just think the column where the last digit after the decimal point lies. And 7 is found in tenths column. So, that will be your denominator. So, therefore, 0.7 is equal to 7 over tenths. Now, let's have another example. 0.9. So the digit after the decimal point will be the numerator. And 9 is found in the tenth place. So 0.9 is equal to 9 over 10 or 9 tenths. How about 0.13? So we can put it in the place value chart like this. And we all know that 0.13 is equal to 13 over something. So, to know what is the denominator, let's check the place value chart. First column is tens. Second column is hundreds. So, since the last digit after the decimal point is found in hundreds place, our denominator is 100. Therefore, 0.13 is equal to 13 over 100. Next example is 0.143, and it can be right in the place value chart like this. So, 0.143 is equal to 143 over something. So, check the chart. The first column is tenths, the second column is hundreds, and the third column is thousands. And the last digit of the given is found in thousands place. So, 0.143 is equal to 143 over 1,000. Now, how about if we have 0.3 and we are not using the place value chart? As long as you know the place value of a number, you can easily answer the given. The digit after the decimal point will be your numerator, and name each digit to get the denominator. So again po, laging tatandaan na kapag nagko-convert tayo ng decimal to fractions, yung digit pagkatapos ng decimal point, that will be your numerator, o siya yung number na nasa taas ng fraction. And then, bibilangin mo lang kung ilang digit ang meron dyan. So, for example, kung isa lang yung digit na meron after the decimal point, ibig sabihin, ang denominator nun ay 10. Kung dalawa naman, syempre, ang denominator nun ay 100. Kung tatlo naman, ang denominator niyan ay 1,000. So, ito lang ang lagi mong tatandaan. Para hindi ka malito, Kung ilan yung digit na meron after the denominator, yun din ang dami ng 0 na ilalagay mo sa denominator. Then, may laging 1 na nasa unahan. So, in this given, 3 will be our numerator o yung 3 yung nasa taas ng ating fraction. And then, there is 1 digit. Meron lang tayong isang digit after the decimal point. So, our denominator is 10. So, therefore, 0.3 is equal to 3 over 10. Next example is 0.27. So, again, 27 will be our numerator. And to get the denominator, name each digit. So, this one will be tens, hundreds. So, since the last digit of this given found in the hundreds place, so therefore, the answer is 27 over 100. Next is 0.123. Again, 123 will be the numerator. And name each digit as tens, hundreds, thousands. So therefore, 0.123 is equal to 123 over 1,000. How about 3.7? We already know what to do with the numbers after the decimal point. How about the whole numbers? In this example, our answer will be mixed number. So we write 3 in here, and 7 is our numerator. And since there are 1 digit after the decimal point, it means tenths. So 3.7 is equal to 3 and 7 over tenths. Another one, 5.43. So 5 in here, 43 will be the numerator. And there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So the denominator will be 100. Therefore, 5.43 is equal to 5 and 43 over 100. Easy, right? Next example is 0.5. We can write it as 5 over 10. Remember that always reduce a fraction to its lowest term. So find a number that you are going to divide both numerator and denominator to reduce it to lowest term. So, what will be the number? Yes, 5, because 5 over 10, or the numerator and the denominator, are both divisible by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 over 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So, 0.5 is equal to 1/2. Next, 0.15. So, it will become 15 over 100. So, again, always check if your fraction can be reduced to lowest term. Can you reduce 15 over 10? Yes. And what number will be divided to both numerator and denominator? Correct. It's 5. So, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Over 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, 0.15 is equal to 3 over 20. Another one, 18.50. So write the whole number 18, and 50 will be the numerator over 100 because it has 2 digits after the decimal point. As you can see, 50 over 100 can be reduced to lowest term. So divide both sides by 50. So 50 divided by 50 is equal to 1. And 100 divided by 50 is equal to 2. 50 over 100 is equal to 1/2. Therefore, 18.50 is equal to 18 and 1/2. How about if we have 0.333 or 0.3 with a bar in it? How can we convert it in fraction? So in part 2 of this video, I'm going to discuss converting repeating decimals to fraction. Thank you for watching.